wonderful world remain as wonderful in the years to come. Ladies and gentlemen, we Indians, from praying moon to landing on moon, and from seeing stars to landing on Mars, and even spinning cotton for freedom to leading the world in technology, we have proven our potential. But this isn't enough to change our title from being called a developing nation to a developing one. Because there is still a requirement of improvement in sectors like economy, infrastructure, education, poverty, clean drinking water, and many more. Now, our country is making its efforts to build this Vikasit Bharat. Now, it's our turn to lend a helping hand rather than just pointing fingers to build this sustainable nation. My dear friends, you know what? This is not at all big, giant steps, and unless and until we take it collectively, a small step. Because India is having something very big asset which many members think it as a livelihood. That is our population. Yes, we have such a huge population. If this 140 crore people just skip one afternoon lunch, most of the European countries can have same food for weeks together. So the thing, when this 140 crore people just collects 1 kg garbage in their surroundings over a night, our country can make a drastic change in cleanliness. Now you may all throw me a question saying that why this sustainable development is important, why is it important for we young youth, and where do we even begin? My dear friends, these are not just blue lines of awareness. This is a talk where a sustainable nation is required, a collective nation where everyone's contribution is required. Let it be a teacher or a student, let it be a philanthropist or a beggar, or let it be a politician or a citizen who votes in, everyone's contribution is required to build this what we call a Ramarajya. In the ancient verses of gods, it is said that Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Paschantu Makashchit Bhagabhave, which means that may all be happy, may no one suffer, may everyone see auspiciousness, and may everyone be healthy. This concept of sustainable development is not something new which has emerged these days. This term sustainable development, it is deeply rooted in our ancient culture but not in the present day heart of ours. My dear friends, let us see the sustainable development sector. Coming to the first sector, occupation. Our country is making lot many progress to build this sustainable nation by taking initiatives like PMKVY and many other initiatives like Atal Innovation Mission. So, it becomes our duty to support our nation. Our country is such a diverse country where from each 25 kilometers our way of speaking the same language changes, way of practicing the same culture changes. So why should we as young youth think of becoming only doctors,